With all that has transpired over the past 48 hours, Friday is shaping up to be quite the intriguing session for Mullen Automotive. Hi again, everyone. I hope you're doing really well. So Friday morning, the last trading session of the week, and we are actually set for quite the interesting day, it would seem, for Mullen Automotive. Obviously, yesterday there was a bit happening. We had a very seesawing session with the stock dropping quite a bit and going straight up to a high for like the last week of 95 cents, and then it sort of finished still down at around the 74-cent mark. Now, in the pre-market right now, we are actually up by about 1.5 to 2 cents. It's been bobbing up and down between that range. So we might be looking at a bit of a positive start to that. It is still early days, but, you know, it could be pointing to a bit of a positive start. Now, if you take into consideration all the positive PR that kind of came out yesterday, the fact that, yes, we do have an operational factory that is legitimately turning out vehicles, and we've got the news from Randy Marry that, yes, they have buyers lined up to buy Mullen Automotive vehicles, plus the fact that they're potentially looking at doing business with bigger organizations such as FedEx and Amazon. We are actually starting to get some positivity lining up for the stock. There's a few positive catalysts here. Now, I don't want to say it, but the SS word, Schutzstaffel. No, I mean short squeeze. We possibly could be seeing something of those veins come this session, just because we have seen an uptick in the short interest. Now, it's still technically not a highly short stock, with the official rating being only just under 10% of the total float held short. However, the borrow fee has crept up to almost 70% at the moment, and the average days to cover is like 0.12. So there is a low days to cover and a high borrow fee, which is like putting a bit of pressure on short positions to cover. We've had a reiteration from the company that they are seriously investigating manipulative trading in the stock, and that there seems to be some gesture from the company that they think that they have evidence of such actions happening, which might be put into a report. So all these things are actually probably doing good things to bring back confidence among the shareholder base. So not going to go out and say it, we are going to have a short squeeze come Friday, but, you know, there is a bit of powder in the keg at the moment that could actually blow. So that might be something that we see happen on Friday. I don't know. If you think we are looking at the potential of a short squeeze, given that, you know, there's a lot of positivity around the company operationally, and the short data the shorts have picked up in the stock a bit. Share it in the comments below. Let me know what you think there. Anyway, it still makes for quite an intriguing sort of finish to the week, because we're sitting down at 74 cents per share at the moment. But if there is a bit of a sort of a short squeezing act, or at least a rally for the stock, might not be a short squeeze necessary, but it could be a bit of a rally, and the added fodder of the stock buyback, we could actually see the stock make some significant ground towards that $1 mark, to close off the session today. Of course, I could be all wrong. We could be up for another sell today, but there just seems to be a bit of momentum with the stock at the moment. I'm hoping that that sort of carries through to this session, and that we do indeed actually see a bit of a positive finish to the week. It's been a roller coaster. We've kind of gone all the way down. We shot straight up, and we're kind of leveling off a little bit now. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see if the stock can get up towards that $1 mark by the end of the week. Anyway, it's pre-market now. It's a few hours till the actual trading session opens. But let me know your thoughts on where you see Mullen Automotive headed this Friday, and how you think it's going to close out the week. Do you think there's going to be some news coming out soon about investigations into the manipulative trading? Do you know anything else about that, or have you got any other updates about what's going on with production, etc.? Share them in the comments below. Always love to hear from you guys. Till next time, everyone, may the markets trade in your favor. Cheers.